This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must be the device owner and signed into iCloud to proceed. First, open Settings and tap your name, then iCloud, and make sure Safari syncing is on. Next, go directly into Safari and tap the tabs icon. Switch to private to see any currently open private tabs, because private mode does not write a local history file. Once done, note any live private tabs you need. Make sure you confirm ownership before continuing, so you stay within legal boundaries. Once you've verified Safari Sync is enabled, open Safari on another device that uses the same Apple ID to inspect synced non-private history. This will not include private tabs, but it helps reconstruct activity. Then, on the iPhone, go to Settings, right arrow Safari, right arrow, advanced right arrow website data to view saved cookies and caches, which can hint at visited sites. Finally, check Settings, right arrow screen time, right arrow see all. If any private tabs are still open, bookmark or save them immediately. Closing private mode discards them. If you need older browsing details and you control the Wi-Fi network, check your router's logs or DNS provider history for domain lookups. That can show sites visited even from private mode. Finally, if you find no records, understand why. Private sessions intentionally avoid local history and are usually unrecoverable unless you previously enabled logging or backups. If something goes wrong, double-check iCloud login and backup settings first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.